Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the objects you want to connect. Do this in object mode with Shift plus click. Once selected, apply scale and rotation with Control plus so modifiers behave predictably. This prevents deformation later. Make sure each object's origin is placed logically via object right arrow set origin, right arrow origin to geometry. This controls pivot behavior when joining or parenting. By preparing transforms and origins first, you avoid common problems and ensure the subsequent connection steps are stable and predictable. Now you decide how to connect them. If you need one mesh, select all and press Ctrl plus J to join. This merges objects but keeps separate materials. Alternatively, use parenting for a non-destructive link. Select the child, then the parent, and press Ctrl plus P right arrow object. Keep transform, so movement is inherited. For true geometric connection, add a Boolean or use edit mode to bridge edge loops, add the modifier, apply when correct. These choices affect UVs, materials, and editability, so pick based on your goal. Finish by cleaning topology. Go into edit mode, select all and recalculate normals so shading stays consistent. Once joined, use merge by distance to remove overlapping vertices and tidy the mesh. This prevents shading artifacts and physics issues. Apply only the modifiers you need and keep an unapplied copy if you might edit later. If faces look wrong, make sure normals face outward and check for non-manifold edges. If something still breaks, undo to the previous state and retry the specific step you changed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.